Silky hair is often seen as the epitome of beauty, lustrous, smooth strands that cascade effortlessly and catch the light with every movement. Achieving and maintaining silky hair is more than just luck. It's about adopting the right habits and understanding the science behind healthy hair care. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, curly, or coily, these 20 tips will guide you on your journey to beautifully silky hair, boosting not only your appearance, but also your confidence. First and foremost, it all starts with gentle cleansing. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo, as sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils and leave it feeling dry and coarse. When washing, massage your scalp with gentle, circular motions rather than scrubbing vigorously. This stimulates blood flow and helps remove dirt without causing breakage. Tip 2 is to avoid washing your hair too frequently. Every time you shampoo, you remove oils that help keep your hair soft. Aim to wash your hair 2 or 3 times a week, adjusting based on your hair type and lifestyle. In between washes, use a dry shampoo if necessary to absorb excess oil and keep your scalp feeling fresh. Next, use a conditioner tailored for your hair type after every wash. Conditioner helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and minimizing frizz. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, as these areas are more prone to dryness and tangling. Tip 4 revolves around cold water. When you finish washing your hair, do a final rinse with cold water. This helps close the hair cuticle, which in turn smooths the surface of your strands and amps up the shine. Once out of the shower, it's important to be gentle. Tip 5 is to avoid rough towel drying. Instead, blot your hair gently with a soft towel, or better yet, a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt. The smoother texture reduces friction, which prevents frizz and breakage. Heat styling can give you sleek hair, but over time, it can also lead to damage and dryness. Tip 6 is to minimize your use of hot tools. Air dry whenever possible, and if you must use a blow dryer, flat iron, or curling wand, always use a heat protectant spray. This creates a barrier against high temperatures and helps preserve that coveted silky finish. Now, let's talk about hair masks. Once a week, treat your hair to a deep conditioning mask or oil treatment. This is tip 7. Look for nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, shea butter, or avocado oil. These penetrate the hair shaft and replenish lost moisture, giving your hair a soft, supple feel. Tip 8 is to brush wisely. Choose a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft, flexible bristles. Start detangling from the ends and gradually work your way up to the roots to prevent unnecessary breakage. Avoid brushing when your hair is soaking wet, as it's at its most fragile. Instead, wait until it's damp or use your fingers to gently separate knots. The kind of pillowcase you sleep on can make a surprising difference. Tip 9. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. Unlike cotton, which can cause friction and absorb moisture, silk and satin help your hair glide smoothly while you sleep, reducing tangles and flyaways. Tip 10 is about regular trims. Even if you're growing your hair long, trimming the ends every 8 to 12 weeks prevents split ends from traveling up the shaft, ensuring that your hair stays healthy and looks silky from root to tip. The 11th tip revolves around your diet. Hair is made of protein, so including plenty of lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, and legumes in your meals can promote stronger, shinier hair. Don't forget fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins and antioxidants that protect your strands from environmental damage. Staying hydrated is tip 12. Just like your skin, your hair needs water to stay supple and glossy. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydrated hair is less prone to dryness and breakage. Tip 13 is to shield your hair from the sun. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet rays can weaken and dry out your hair, making it look dull. Wear a hat or use a UV protection spray whenever you're out in intense sunlight for extended periods. If you swim in pools or the ocean, pay attention to tip 14. Chlorine and salt water can strip your hair of its natural oils, causing dryness and roughness. Wet your hair with fresh water before swimming and use a protective leave-in conditioner to create a barrier. Shampoo and condition thoroughly after your swim. Tip 15 focuses on the products you use. Avoid hair care products that contain harsh chemicals and alcohols, which can dry out your hair and create a dull, straw-like texture. Opt for hydrating, natural, and gentle formulas whenever possible. Scalp care is the often overlooked cornerstone of gorgeous hair. This is tip 16. A healthy scalp leads to healthy, silky strands. Gently exfoliate your scalp once a month to remove buildup, and consider a scalp massage with nourishing oils to improve circulation and stimulate hair growth. Tip 17 is to avoid tight hairstyles. Consistently pulling your hair into tight ponytails, buns, or braids can cause stress and lead to breakage or even hair loss. Let your hair down frequently, and if you must tie it back, use soft scrunchies or fabric-coated hair ties. Protective hairstyles, such as loose braids, buns, or twists, can help minimize damage, particularly while sleeping. This is tip 18. These styles reduce friction, tangling, and dryness and keep your strands looking smoother overall. Tip 19 involves limiting chemical treatments. Frequent bleaching, perming, or chemical straightening can leave hair dry, brittle, and lifeless. If you enjoy coloring or chemically treating your hair, try to space out sessions and always follow up with intensive conditioning treatments. The final tip is to be patient and consistent. Achieving silky hair is not about quick fixes. It requires a steady routine, ongoing care, and the willingness to nourish your hair from both the inside and out. Consistency in your habits will pay off with time, revealing lustrous locks that are the picture of health and beauty. As you implement these 20 tips, remember that everyone's hair is unique. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect for another, so pay attention to how your hair responds and adjust your routine accordingly. Consistency, gentle handling, and the right nourishment will never go out of style when it comes to hair care. Notice the feeling as you run your fingers through your hair after adopting these habits. The softness, the smoothness, the unmistakable feeling of silky strands gliding beneath your touch. Admire how your hair moves, how it reflects the light, and how manageable it feels throughout the day. Not only will others notice the difference, but you'll also experience an increase in confidence, knowing that you're treating your hair to the love and care it deserves. Embrace these healthy habits and let your hair be a reflection of your inner vitality and resilience. Remember, silky hair is more than just a sign of beauty. It's a testament to the care, patience, and intention you invest into your well-being. Each small step contributes to the larger picture, creating a stunning result that's uniquely your own. Stay mindful, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey towards your best hair days yet. With thoughtful care and these time-tested tips, luxurious silky hair is within reach for anyone willing to make it a priority. Finding the ideal frequency for washing your hair depends on your hair type, scalp condition, and lifestyle. For most people, washing 2 to 3 times per week is sufficient to keep the scalp clean without stripping away natural oils. If you have very oily hair or engage in activities that cause sweating, you may need to wash more often. Conversely, those with dry, curly, or textured hair may benefit from less frequent washing to preserve moisture and prevent breakage.